My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Gapo, G-A-P-O. By the way, this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. It is called like that, Gapo, because it encrypts files and appends a special Gapo extension additionally to the file names. Now, before the ransomware attack, of course, we are able to open all of our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Gapo ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So people may restart their computers or sign out and sign in back again, and then they suddenly realize the negative impact of this ransomware Gapo on the files. As I said, Gapo is the extension that is appended to the file names. So whenever users try to open the specific file, they see a message on the screen indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Gapo additionally appended extension. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. As I said, you try to open the specific file, and this is the message that you see, that it's not possible to open this type of file with this Gapo extension. In fact, because of this ransomware, your computer may be freezing dramatically. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea, of course. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. So don't ever pay that ransom. Don't waste your money. We recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which is combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So go to this official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the program, and then start investigating your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks with its anti-ransomware feature. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus program. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to the premium license, and this way your data will always be protected and you may always request for the free trial. And finally, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.